from Ambuja Public School, Rabadiwas, and I am making another video on the topic of demand and law of demand. I am going to make, right? So I am going to continue about the demand chapter, and in 2 other videos you will find my rest of the topics. So the next topic is, today I am going to tell you about the extension and contraction of demand. Extension and contraction of demand. Right? What is extension and contraction of demand? Right? What is extension? Extension means when other things remaining same as price increases, as price falls, demand increases. Right? Law of demand applies here. Law of demand applies here. So, my dear student, right, we can prove it with the help of one table and diagram. Table, right, price, rupees, demand in kgs, price 4, demand 2 kg. When price is rupees 2, demand is 4 kg. This is called extension. As price fall, right, to rupees 2, demand increases from from 2 kgs to 4 kg. Right. Demand. Yes. E. Rise falls. Movement from E to E1 shows extension in demand. According to table and demand, initial price is rupees 4. As price falls from rupees 4 to rupees 2, as a result, demand increases from 2 kg to 4 kg. This is called extension in demand, right? In this case, law of demand is applicable here. Law of demand is applicable here. So my dear student, when we study about the extension demand, we should know that law of demand is always applied here. Next topic we have contraction in demand. Contraction in demand is opposite to this. Opposite to this, right? See, what is contraction? Contraction means contraction means when other things remaining same, as price increases, as price rises, demand falls. Demand fall. It is opposite of extension in demand. It is opposite of extension in demand. Now see, we can, or law of demand is also applied here. Initial price was 2, right? Demand was 4. As price rises to 4 rupees, demand falls to 2. Right? See. This is extension in demand, right? Initial price was, according to both table and diagram, initial price was rupees 2. As a result, the demand was 4 kg. But as suddenly price rises to 4 rupees 4, demand becomes 2 kg. So the same thing is shown in the diagram. That movement from E point to E1 point shows extension in demand. Now, the next topic in relation to this is increase in demand and decrease in demand. Increase in demand means if other factors, if I am using here the first word, if other factors remaining same, if other factors, right, does not remain same, then what happens? If other factor does not remain same, then what happens? See, then two cases occurs, that is increase in demand and decrease in demand. So increase in demand means it refers to a situation in which price changes, but demand increases or decreases, increases. Changes, price rises, right? I am using here price rises, then I will use fall. Price rises but demand remain same. Second thing. Or as it refers to a situation in which price remains same. Price is same, but demand falls. But demand falls. In which price is same but demand falls. Right. Price is same but demand increases. But demand increases only. I beg your pardon. I have to write here increases. Price remains same. Demand increases. Demand increases. It refers a situation in which price is same but demand increases. Right. These are the two situations in which law of demand does not apply. Law of demand does not apply. Right? Law of demand does not apply. See, my dear student, we can also prove it with the help of table and diagram. Right? Table. Price, demand, price, how much? 2 2, right? Demand was 4, but now it becomes 6. Now it becomes 6. Price is same. I have taken second situation. Price is same, but demand increases. This happens due to other factor like change in season, like change in fashion, taste and habit, like change in size of population, change in income, right? So these are the other factor. Change in weather condition, right? Change in climatic condition. So it happens due to the other factors rather than the law of demand applicability, right? So law of demand does not apply here. Right here, other factor affect the size of population, so like size of population, rise in income of the people. Then next is change in fashion, taste and habit. Right. Next, these are the various things which affect law, which affect demand. Right. See, we can prove it with the help of one diagram. Price is constant here, that is ₹2 price. Demand four, 6. This is extension in demand. This is, extension in demand. Now in the same pattern, we can follow this. We can take another example also. this example, this case, right? Another table and diagram in which demand is constant, price is fluctuating. Price was 2, demand is 4, 0, D1, D1, D, D, E1, E. We can make it same as like that. Table. In this case, price, demand, right, price 2, 4, 4, 4. In this case, price is fluctuating, increasing. Price has increased, but demand remains same. This is also called increase in demand. This is also case of increase in demand. Here it applies this portion, this definition applies here. It refers to say unit price rises, but demand remains same. Right. Next topic is decrease in demand. Now we are going to study about the decrease in demand. Now, what is decrease in demand? Just opposite of, right? It refers to a situation in which price falls. Price falls, but demand remains same. That is this case, first case, 4-2, right? Price has fallen, but demand is fixed, that is 4, right? But the law of demand states when the price will fall, demand will rise. Hence, law of demand does not apply in this case. In the second case also, we find here price is same. Here price is same, right? Price is same, but demand falls, right? It generally happens into the change in season, change in size of population, or decrease in size of population, or old-fashioned product, right? So these are the factors which are responsible for the, this demand, for increase or decrease in demand. So my dear student, these are the two cases we can study where in the we can change here. I can write here form. Demand is falling, right? So these are the some cases which motivate economics to explain two-way theory, right? Law of demand does not apply here. Law of demand fails. It motivates other factors to work here. Okay, thank you, my dear student. You are welcome.